Part number one's coming. It's coming. But before we get there, all I got to say is what's been pointedly clear to me time and time again, and I have been in the family court system for over 10 years. 10 years of having my rights violated, my First Amendment, my 14th Amendment, which was clear today. The judge, not impartial. Supreme Court Rule 6004. It was pointed out clear as day to the judge that there have been ex parte communications going on for years with regards to the petitioner's attorney, Jonathan Goldman, and the courts get away with it. I've pointed that out in motions and pleadings in the past. I pointed that out today to the judge, and it was a non-issue as far as he was concerned. Didn't even pay any mind to it. Well, guess what? Because Supreme Court Rule 6004, he has proven he cannot be impartial and should be recusing himself from the case. Aside from that, what is pointedly clear is it's the good old boys club when it comes to family court. All those attorneys, all those commissioners, they all know each other. They go to dinner together. They party together. They do everything together. And people like the common folk like myself, the blue-collar workers of this country that bust our ass, and all we want is time with our children, time and time again, we have to placate to individuals like that where they're taking our rights day by day. And what's real funny is when I watch Goldman in the past, and I've watched the other attorneys my ex-wife has had, they treat the commissioners way different than they treat the judges. And it was clear as day today because the bullshit that he tries to get entered into evidence that he knows damn well the judge, as this Goldman is an officer of the court, and he can't do, he's allowed to do with the commissioner. Now, that again is a violation of my civil rights, and I'm sure that happens time and time across this country, and it's bullshit. This stuff needs to come to an end. The commissioners and the attorneys and the gals and child support and being all buddy while the common folk and all of us get screwed over technicalities and then ignoring our rights just because we're pro se litigants and we can't afford an attorney. It's bullshit. And it's bullshit what they can get away with a court commissioner. But yet when they get in front of the judge, Goldman is kissing his ass up and down, making it seem like, oh, they did nothing wrong. They sent me an email. They sent me, yeah, you're not the court. The court didn't send me notice of the court date today. That's bullshit. That's a violation of my civil rights. And the fact that the judge is like daddy to him, and they just come across as like they're doing everything good and everything right, and they're not. They're not. They're playing games with the commissioner, and then when they get in front of the judge, things change, and they change completely. And I can see it. I can see it coming a mile away. Well, guess what? Things are coming. Things are coming, and I call bullshit.